Traders and investors, welcome to the channel Market Chart Pattern. Today we'll take a look at the forex market. Mainly we'll take a look at the euro dollar, euro USD, and we will also take a look at the dollar index. This video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. So we are looking at the daily chart of the euro USD, and here I wanted to show a pattern that I'm watching. So what we have seen is that since late September 2022, we have seen the dollar actually becomes weaker, and as a reciprocal of it, the euro USD has been moving higher. Our long-term view is that perhaps the US dollar has peaked longer term. In fact, we did a video about it, and I'll also put a link to that video in the description. And so that way you can actually take a look at that, how we are watching why we think the dollar could have peaked longer term. It doesn't mean that there could be rallies, counter trend rallies, maybe even the old high that has been put in might get challenged, but the view still remains that the dollar probably has peaked longer term. Okay, so here what I want to bring to your attention is the channel that we are watching here. You can see we have a quite a nice channel here. We have a series of higher bottoms, and we also have a series of higher highs as well. The key pattern I wanted to bring to the attention was the symmetry in the market that I'm watching. So basically, in this bull run, what we have seen is that each time the correction has taken place, it has been by this much magnitude. And if I just clone this, which I'm going to do just right now, what we can see is that the next bigger correction, which we had seen lasting several days, was about the same as well. And this recent one, if I bring it here, is same in the magnitude. However, in terms of time, it has taken lesser time to achieve the same magnitude. However, in terms of magnitude, it's the same. And also, if we look at some Fibonacci relationships, what I see is uh, the price came in 38.2% retracement, comes in around 1.0724 level, and the 61.8% retracement of this level from here comes in at 106.98. So they were in there were apart by about 25 pips, but if you look at how much the currency pair has been moving, we can perhaps argue that it was in a confluence level that we should pay attention to, given the fact that we also have a symmetry here. Now, if the price begins to move lower, then it would mean that this symmetry has been broken, and also this channel has been broken as well, which is acting as support. Potentially, it could potentially become resistance later on. So the way the price closed is, let me actually change it to the candle pattern. It formed a variation of a doji pattern. It's not the ideal kind of doji, but in my opinion, but it's very close to doji, so I'll just call it doji. And what it means is that there was a fight between the bulls and the bears, and there was indecision, and the candle hasn't fully closed yet. But it means that the bulls and the bears fought, and they are coming close towards a price level, which is, pretty much where the pair had actually opened. The currency pair had opened. So this is what we are watching, and our view is that tomorrow, the next day, and the next few days, we will be able to see and assess whether the trend resumes to the upside or not, and whether this key level which we are watching will begin to act as key support level. Now, as a reciprocal to this, let's take a look at the dollar index. Here, what we can see is the dollar index, actually this level. Let me actually try bring it. So this is the weekly chart of the dollar index, and here initially we were looking for the dollar to retrace about 38.2% retracement of this down move. However, by looking at the euro USD, it may appear that actually dollar could weaken from here because of the symmetry in the market which we have seen in the euro USD, and it might not actually go as far as 106 level, which was the level which we were watching initially because of the 38.2% retracement level. Now again, euro is about, I believe, 53% of the dollar index. So there are other currencies as well. Some are weaker, some depending upon which currency pair we are comparing those against. So in what it looks like is dollar perhaps could actually begin to weaken from this level because of the symmetry in the euro USD that we have seen, or we can see the euro USD begin to strengthen because of the support structure that we have been watching, as mentioned in the video earlier on. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you do like the analysis, then please do subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell icon button. That way you'll know when the new videos are posted. If you like how we like to analyze the market using Fibonacci and pattern recognition, then please do like the video as well. That means a lot to me, because that way I know that my work is being appreciated, and I should bring more videos out for educational purposes. Thank you very much. Good luck and good trading.